Welcome. In front of me I have the Samsung A17, but this video is just a general video for all Samsungs on how to access the download mode. Now, like I mentioned, this is for basically every Samsung, but to be more specific, it's for every Samsung that is running the One UI, I believe 8.2 and above. Anything below that, so let me quickly check my phone, is running the old One UI, and that is, just bear with me, not developer options. Where the hell is it? About phone. So I am running One UI 0. 8.0. So I think it's 8.1 or 8.2, something like that. So it was the one that started with the Samsung S25, or sorry, S26 lineup, and everything since then basically got gutted. So you had technically no access to the download mode, at least not a real one, and your recovery mode basically got kind of gutted out of all the options other than factory reset and two methods of leaving it. So there is still download mode on these devices, which we can access, just it got a little bit more complicated as it's typical with Samsung. It gets complicated for no reason, so you just don't know how to do shit. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it, and the first thing we're going to do is open up our settings, and in here you want to navigate to, no, not here. Oh, there we go. So it's going to be device care. And in device care, you want to swipe down to maintenance mode. Now this mode is designed for the most part for repairing your device. So when you hand it off for repair, you put it into this mode instead of wiping it. Obviously, we're not going to be doing any of that. We're not repairing this device, but we still need it in this mode. And we're going to select turn on. Now for this purpose we need to have a screen lock if you don't have one. So I'm gonna at least select set one, pattern. Now you can use whatever you want, pin, pattern, password, it doesn't matter. Confirm. So again, I'm gonna select turn on the maintenance mode. Restart. Confirm your screen lock. And it's gonna give us this message right here that it's creating logs right here, and it's gonna take about 2 minutes to do so. So I'm gonna let it run through and come back once the device is actually booted back up into the maintenance mode, as this will take actually a couple of minutes, so be patient. Now the device is booted up into the maintenance mode, or almost there. It is being a little bit slow, so as you can see, still crap is popping up, so should be able to unlock it hopefully now. There we go. Yep, you can see we have maintenance mode right now, so that's what we needed. And from here we now have the ability to enter the download mode. Now for this we will need the cable, and you want to plug it into your computer. Now let's also turn off the device. So we're going to swipe down, click on the power button right here, and then select power off. Just give it a moment. It takes a moment to turn this device off, so you can see the screen is still on, and it's off. Grab the cable and just simply plug it in for now. And you will see that it's going to have the little icon that it's, there we go, charging right now. Ignore this, that we're waiting for something else to show up on the screen. There we go, that's what we're waiting for. The percentage with the little icon right here. Now there might not be an icon on your end. If it is, it isn't, doesn't matter. What we're looking for is specifically the charging status right here, the battery percentage. That means that we're good to go. Once that is visible, hold all the buttons, power, volume down, volume up at the same time. And you can let go of the power button when you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, which is right about now. Screen will turn off, and then we have the warning page. Now on my end I can unplug it, as I'm not planning to do anything with the computer, but obviously on your end you probably are if you're looking for this mode. So I'm gonna unplug it, you keep it plugged in. Now this is just a warning page before we have access to the download mode. So to get access to the download mode, we need to press, as you can see right here, volume up. And here's our download mode. So that's how you boot it into it. It's stupidly convoluted for no reason whatsoever, and we're not even done yet, because once we're done needing the download mode, we still need to get back to the normal one. So first thing, to leave this mode, if you're not doing anything, to leave it, you would hold power button and volume down. Now it says side key, but as far as I can tell, and I'm not retarded, we have 3 different side keys, because this is a side and these are the keys. So I'm going to be referring to them by the logical name, which is power button and volume buttons, right? So power and volume down. And you want to hold it as long as it takes to make the screen go black, which is right about now. No? Ah, there we go. And the device will start to boot up on its own. So let's just wait for it to boot back up. Okay, so you can see we're still in maintenance mode, which is no good. So we're now gonna try to, well, not try, but we will be leaving the maintenance mode. So open up your settings. And scroll down to device care. And scroll down and select maintenance mode right here. And you will see now, disregard this, I don't know why this stupid shit opens up every time. It's not what we're looking for. Exit. So there we go. Once you click on exit, it gives you this pop-up. So your phone needs to restart to exit maintenance mode. We're going to select restart. We do need to again confirm our screen lock for this purpose. And it's now going to reboot and bring us back into the normal mode. So again, I'm going to let it run through and come back once it's completed. And there we go. We're now back in normal mode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.